Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Tayo ay matuto tungkol sa laws of exponent quotient rule. Quotient rule for exponents says that a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. In words, when you divide two powers with the same base, you have to subtract the exponents. So, napakadali lang po ang gagawin natin dito. Titingnan po natin kung ang operation ay division. Then, we can apply this rule. Let's have an example for this. Okay, here is an example on how we will use the quotient rule. Let us say the problem is x raised to 7 over x raised to the fourth power. As you can see, the operation is division, so we need to subtract the exponent. So we will just copy the base and then 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So let's copy again the base, which is x, and the exponent will be 3. So this is the simplified form. Let's have another example using a numerical. So, as you can see, the operation here is division, and the base here is both 3. So, we can actually subtract the exponent. So, just copy the exponent, copy the base, and the exponent will be subtracted. So, 5 minus 2, the answer here is 3 raised to 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. But we can still simplify it further. The answer there is 27. Why? The meaning of 3 raised to 3 is 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, let's have the last example, which is a combination of a numerical and a variable. As you can see, again, the operation is division. Let us see if the base are the same. We have two bases here. We have 2 and x, and then 2 and x, parehas po sila. So, we can subtract their exponent. So, 2, copy natin yung 2, and then 5 minus 2. Then, the base, which is x, and then exponent, which is 6 minus 3. Then, let's simplify it further. So, you will come up with 5 minus 2 is 3, and 6 minus 3 is 3. Now, we can still simplify it further. The 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So, huwag kakalimutan na ang expanded form ng 2 raised to 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. At kung isi-simplify po natin to, ang sagot ay 8. So, ganito lang po gamitin ang ating quotient rule. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, may natutunan po kayo about sa law of exponent using quotient rule. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to follow and subscribe.